I'm out here at the Jenner Conservancy or the Nature Preserve. I'm going to show you this right over here. There is the kiosk, and then there is the parking lot. In fact, there's me. So anyway, the reason why I'm talking to you today is I want to do a fundraiser to get a solar Wi-Fi installed out here, up here at the bathroom, and relayed down at the kiosk so that folks can check in, call 911, and do other social media activities. Maybe we'll put a little video kiosk or something down there. So I'm going to show you where I'm going to put in the solar part here. I've got a little bit of a hike ahead of me, so I'm going to pause, and when we get there, check it out. Check out the subterranean bathrooms. I thought this was kind of cool. Let's see if you can see it here behind me. There they are. Let's take a look at this. Do I dare walk backwards? I think this is kind of cool. Check this out. All subterranean, underground. And the reason why I bring that up is because right there's going to be a solar panel hiding behind. Those are the stinky stacks right there. Those two things sticking up, stinky stacks. And then just this direction of it is going to be a mast and a solar panel. Let's go check it out. Let's check it out. I'll show you what I'm going to be doing here. Let's walk with me, will you? If you hear me out of breath, it's because I'm old. All right, let's take a look. So right here, I gotta be careful because I don't want to drill into the roof of the bathrooms. Right here next to the stinky stacks there's going to be a pipe about here, a mast about 6 feet tall or so, and there's going to be a solar panel facing kind of a little bit east, and then right below it is going to be a dish pointing up at what we call the barn or the conservancy. I'm pointing the wrong direction. It's actually that way. And then from there is going to be another little panel that faces down this way, faces down here. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, I guess you can. I can't, but I'm sure you can. Down there to the kiosk, and there's going to be another panel that picks it up and then broadcasts it over the parking lot. And the reason why I wanted to do this too, I had mentioned before that there was kind of an unfortunate incident where staff members and folks could not call emergency services. There was no way to call, and so they had to get in a car and head all the way down that way just to make the phone call for an emergency. So we're gonna fix that. But also just equally as important, I think it's just real cool. I would love for y'all to check in when you get here on social media and tell people where you're at. It's really important that the conservancy here, the preserve, I should say, Jenner Headlands Preserve, really needs a continuous flow of finances. They're a nonprofit organization. They rely on people like you, not to sound like KQED, but they do rely on people like you. Fundraiser. So there's a little bit of bureaucracy trying to get my project done here for this kiosk thing. And I thought, I'm just going to pay for this myself in a way. Well, I'm going to drill a hole. I'm going to put in the electronics. I'm going to do, pay for a large portion of it. But I actually want your help. I do want a couple of donations. Even $1, $5 really helps. And I'm going to put all of that money towards this project. Any of the unused money, by percentage, goes back to you if it gets unused. I plan to absolutely not make money off of this. I will not make money off of this. As a matter of fact, I plan to lose money and gain a good cause. And that's what I want to do, and I hope you'll join me. So here's what I want you to do. You're obviously already here, so what I love for you to do is go to the community portion of the BennettValleyTelecom.com website and go scroll right down there. There's a GoFundMe section down there, and you'll see it's not a big amount of money. I just rather have some folks involved in it. And why this is kind of cool too is those of you who actually get involved in this project, I'm looking over there because it looks like my headlights are still on, and they should not be, but it's the sun hitting it. But your help, I'm going to make sure your name is known on the Bennett Valley Telecom website, social media. If you don't want it, I won't say anything. But and we got to put tribute to you folks for doing this. And I also got to thank Motec Internet Services. That's Motec. They handle the internet for the Jenner corridor here, compete directly against the Tesla guy in the sky. Small business, a legacy business here. I think it's important that we also support Motec and dump those darn Starlink panels and go back to Motec. We're working on that one. I'm helping to get the power system shored up before the winter gets here. That's another subject. But today, I really want to put a solar in here, a solar device in here. I really want to rebroadcast Wi-Fi across this area here, so people can go live on Facebook and live on Instagram and have a little fun there. And then I'll do all the work. I'm going to be digging the hole here. I'm going to be sinking the post, pouring the cement, putting in the panels, the brackets, and all the technology. I love doing this stuff. I love doing this for the Jenner Conservancy in Jenner Headlands. Ryan is awesome. All the volunteers are totally cool. This is just a beautiful, stunning, peaceful place. And I really want to do this, but I would like your help. I would love to have your help, and I'd love to make you known for doing so. My name is Brian Brown from Bennett Valley Telecom. I thank you for listening. We'll talk to you soon.